Tutorial on how to draw a woman or a guy named Nikita Zui. So, first thing, you gotta see the female specimen of Homo sapien. I don't care which picture or video you will use, just look at them. Do you see? Do you see? They got the mammary gland and gluteus maximus. Secondly, mentally prepare yourself to draw a woman because it's very scary and hard. Just like talking to them. And last step, draw. Oh, circle! Circle! Fuck! Shit! That's not a circle! Fuck! Shit! Good! Now draw the spine! The torso! Yeah, good. First try. Now we draw an arm. Come on. Shit. Fuck, it's too long. No. Fuck. I'm gonna rest for a little. Right, I'm ready. Draw a tit. Oh, fuck. No. Shit. Come on. Oh, fuck. It's all over my screen now. Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm back. No. After cleaning my screen from the goon, now it's time to draw the waist. Oh, fuck. It's gonna be so hard. Good. Now. Now we draw the legs. Thick legs, you know. Like chicken wings. Chicken wing like leg. Something like that. Okay? Fuck. Okay, now for the lower leg. I actually don't know how to even code this part of the leg. Alright, don't care. It's time to draw. Good enough. Then another. Hold my shit. I'm gonna shit my pants. Oh, did it fit? Right, I don't care. It's gonna be like this. Alright. I think I need make arms a little bit longer. Alright, that's much better. That is very much good. Now, the last part of this creature thing. Last part of this thing is the face. You know that females have eyes, mouth, noses, like, yeah, they got all that. So it's time to draw all facial features. Alright, not all. I'm gonna draw the eyes and mouth. Alright. I think I'm ready. Alright, good. The eyes. Yes. Then the mouth. Alright, it's done. And I think Nikita Zui is already well pleased. of my tutorial. So I think you're gonna be pleased too. Alright, bye.